Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel everyone. I'm glad to see you back. If you're new, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to unbox some beautiful Nike shoes. It's the Nike Air Pegasus 89, so they are back. These was some really classic back in the days and we are glad they are back because they are looking really fresh on the pictures. So let's get them out in the open and have a really closer look at them. First off, a toast to you guys. That's good. So let's jump in the video. There we go. Wow, beautiful. Okay, that was wrapped really around a lot of paper this time, as you can see, just blowing in the wind here. So in the box view, of course, and there we go. As we can see, these are incredible and the smell is really there. I can smell them in the whole room here. Really good with the factory smell. Let's get that off to the side. Schmack. Try not to tear down the whole studio here. These are even more beautiful than I think they would have been. My tongue was hanging for a time there. I'm actually really glad I bought this one because I was a little unsure when I saw the pictures and stuff, but wow, what a classic. Look at the beauty. This is really that retro look and they really kept it as they should keep it. Of course it's a little bit better and stuff like that, but it's basically the same shoe as in the good old days. Really beautiful. So let's go through here and see what we got. We got some beautiful gray all the way around. I like it. It's kind of blending in with the big beautiful Nike logo in gray on the side here. The same on the other side. I just love that it's all gray like that. It's gray laces, super beautiful, and of course the white on the bottom here is matching really great with the gray color. I love the Nike stamp here with the gray plastic that goes all the way around. It's really beautiful, a nice touch. I gotta say, I really don't like shoes that are one color up top and white on the bottom like that, but with these ones there is nothing wrong. It's really beautiful. That doesn't matter for me this time because it's really nice. It's actually perfect. We also got some red colors here. It's like wine red. On the top here we got also on the back, and is also the Nike Air logo on the inside and on the bottom. And even the bottom here is really retro looking, you know. In the 90s and stuff, it was always this kind of look on the bottom, and it's really beautiful. It's a lot of leather around, so it's really good quality here. It's a bit heavy, but I guess you can expect that when you get this kind of quality with leather and stuff. Of course it will be a bit heavy, but it's not too heavy. It's really no problem. It's kind of stiff, so it's not your typical training shoe. This will be an everyday wearing shoe, just to look nice out here. And wow, these are really impressive. A lot cooler than I thought it would be, so I'm really impressed. I'm really looking forward to these shoes. I will keep them and wear them in the summer because these are some perfect summer shoes. And of course, because of the lightness of the color, it will match everything, so I can wear them every day with everything. Really cool. Also good grip under, thick and great rubber, so it will last for a long time. We like that. No air cushions, but of course you get the big bottom here and it will do the work for you. So yeah, all over. I mean, all together, a really nice shoe. I love it. It's beautiful. Nothing to complain about. This is one of the really great beauties I had for a long time, and I like them. I will wear this for myself. So yeah, we need to try them out, of course, on the feet, so you guys can see how they are looking on the feet. So let's go and try them out.